What's up, everyone? If you are looking for the cheapest Hostinger option where you can get amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get cheapest hosting by Hostinger. Plus, I'm going to give you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So let's get started by clicking on the link in the description. Once you click on the link, you will be entitled to a page like this where you can see their premium plan on their main page. You can see about hosting reviews on different websites, Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, WP Beginner, everyone you can see over there. You can see the three most popular plans: premium, business, and cloud setup. But in case if you want more plans, you can simply select hosting and select other plans. But you know that these three plans are amazing, full of features, functions. You can do a detailed review and you may find that you are getting amazing features like free domain, free CDN, daily or weekly backups option. You are getting NVMe or SSD storage, which is a very good option. And then getting unlimited bandwidth, free automatic website migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. Amazing WordPress features, including one-click WordPress installation. You're also getting no-code website builder, which makes it amazing drag and drop website builder. Also getting superb security features like enhanced DDoS protection, web application firewall, cloud protected name servers, malware scanner, which is my personal favorite, and secure access manager. You're also getting 30 days money back guarantee with all of the plans, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and you can host your website in different countries in the world. You are also getting this option as well. And then they provide maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology. You can see over here as well. And so you're getting amazing features. So now select any plan. If you ask me the cheapest option, this one is the cheapest and almost comes with every feature function you may need. There are a few differences, like you're getting weekly backups here, but still weekly backups is a very good option again. So I recommend you to offer this plan because that is the cheapest, and even I use this for my personal blog for the first year. So simply select that to card. Make sure to click on the link in the description. I will also be giving you two of the finest coupon codes. So once you land it over here, you can see uh, the billing period over here. You can select your billing period. The 48 months is a bargain. So my suggestion is to opt for the 48 months because you are saving the most amount of money, but you can also offer the 24 or 12 months as well. But the first month is a big no. So either offer that 48, 12 or 24. But the maximum discount is on the 48 months. So my suggestion is to go with the 48 months with Hostinger. Once you select your Hostinger hosting plan, you can create your account at Hostinger by synchronizing with a Google or Facebook account, or you can write your email ID over here as well. And once you do it, you can select your payment method for Hostinger. Hostinger offer various payment methods, so you can select any according to your preference, convenience, or whatever is easy for you. Once you select your payment method, scroll below, select the have a coupon code, and write this coupon code. You can see the current pricing right now. See this price, which is already discounted. You can see over here. Plus, I'm going to give you a coupon code exclusively from my audience. Once you apply it, you're gonna see that a price got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well which you can use, which is with the name of HI10. You can use this one as well, and you're gonna see that a price got a further discount. So if you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to use these coupon codes to get the cheapest hosting from Hostinger. Good luck with your hosting for Hostinger. Make sure to click on the link in the description as well. Good luck.